I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and minimizing risk. This saves time and prevents damage. Once powered down and grounded, remove the access panel or keyboard. You should see the SSD, identify whether it's a 2.5 SATA drive or an M.2 module. Unscrew the retaining screws and gently lift the drive from its connector. Make sure to keep screws organized. You'll need them when mounting the drive into the external enclosure. Taking these first steps carefully prevents connector or board damage. Once the SSD is free, handle it by the edges to avoid contact with pins. For a 2.5 drive, slide it into a soldered USB bay. For M.2, align the notch, insert at an angle, and press down to fasten to the standoff. Make sure the enclosure supports NVMe if your M.2 is NVMe, otherwise performance or compatibility issues can occur. Tighten screws evenly and fit any thermal pads to dissipate heat. After sealing the enclosure, verify the cable and port orientation before connecting to power or host. You now connect the external SSD to your computer and wait for it to enumerate. Modern OSes often auto-install drivers. Once detected, initialize and format the drive in your OS, choosing NTFS, exFAT, or apps depending on needs, and assign a drive letter or mount point. Copy back your data and verify file integrity. If the drive isn't visible, swap the USB cable or port, test the enclosure on another machine, and confirm the enclosure supports your SSD type. This single compatibility check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.